Hello and welcome. Welcome to day 2 of our 5 days free AI automation and video editing class. So, how are you doing and how was yesterday's class? I hope you enjoyed it and also did your assignments. For those of you that have submitted the assignments, well done. I've seen the beautiful videos you are creating. So, today we'll be learning how to create 3D interaction animations. Yes, 3D interaction animations, and you can use this also for adverts, for conversations, etc. Yesterday was whiteboard animation, so today we're creating 3D interaction. So let's get started. Go to your Play Store or your Apple Store. You look for Plotagon. Plotagon, that's the name of the app we're looking for. We can search. Plotagon. Yes. Plotagon. See it here. Plotagon. See it here. So you click on search. So this is the one we are using. This yellow one. Okay. This yellow one. This is one you are going to download. Plotagon Studio. So this is the app, the original one, Plotagon Studio. Okay, so you tap on it. I have already installed this on my phone, that's why you are seeing it like this. So now move over to my phone. This is it here. It's showing Plot Studio. Okay, so this is it here. You tap on it. You that you have not signed in before, they may ask you to sign in. Okay, so you just sign in. Now after signing in, they will bring you to this interface. Then you click on create new plot. Create new plot. So this is where it's going to bring you. Now to bring you to this place, now I want to create something. I want to create video. Now they are saying set the scene by picking a location. I want to create scene 1. Now first of all, I don't know if you are seeing what this one that they highlighted. Set the scene by picking a location. So we'll first of all do this one. After that, you will now select people that are going to act in that scene. Then after you select it, we are going to select the extras, blah blah blah. So let's just go. Let's just pick it. So you click on that first one. Then select the location where you want your characters to be, where you want them to be in or stay at. So look at, there are different scenes here. Different scenes here. You can explore, check. Okay, where you want your characters to be. Listen, the things that have this thing like this, they are not free, or you will not be allowed to use it unless you subscribe. Okay, so avoid any scene that has this thing here. Is a pro version, and you will not be allowed to use it. Okay, because you've not subscribed. So look for the ones that do not have it, and then you select from it, like all these ones here. You understand? So select. I'm looking for something nice. Okay, I think most of these ones here are pro versions. Let me just scroll up. Let me scroll up. Okay, let me use this one that is outside. Which one should I use now? Okay, let me use this one. Let them stand outside. So you click on download and allow it to download. This training is for both Android users and iPhone users. Okay, welcome to Prime World Digital's training. This is Sarah speaking. Thank you very much. for staying tuned for this free class, okay? And as you watch, try to replicate it, and that's because that is how you learn. So you click on done. See, we have import our scene. Can you see? This is our location. We have imported it. Then the next are people that want to put inside the location. Who are the actors in this scene? Excuse me. Who are the actors in this scene? So you tap on it. You are going to add, because you are using the free version. Sorry for that noise. So let's continue. You pick an actor because we are using pro version. We are using free version. We are only limited to use only 2 actors here. Just 2 people you are limited to use. These ones you cannot use 3 or 4 or 5 because they are on pro version. If you want to use more than, then you now need to subscribe. Okay, so actor 1, like I said, avoid people with this diamond stuff on their head because they are not free to use. So I want to pick an actor. Okay, let me pick this one. Let me pick this yellow woman here. Can you see her? Mrs. Green. Her name is Mrs. Green here. So I've picked her. So then I want to pick actor 2. Tap on actor 2. Another person that will be discussing with her. Okay, let me pick a guy this time. Let me pick this one. Let it download. You allow it to download. Okay, so we have downloaded. So this one is Samia. The name of this actor is Samia. So that is it. Look at that. Can you see our 2 actors? Now we are through with taking our actors. Okay, now see. Can you see them? This is now Mrs. Green, the lady. Is staying by the mailbox. If you want, yeah, this location is where you want her to stay. Okay, this by the mailbox. If you don't want her to stay there, look. This where they are. This where they are. Where you want them to be. See, that will exchange. Can you see? So how you want her to stay is how it's going to stay. Okay, and look at the guy too. See. So how you want your story to be is how they are going to be. Okay, so now let me do it this way. I say you can do this for advert and it's going to be like conversation. You understand? You can do conversation where the first one you say, I needed something. Say, have you not heard of this product? Something like that. That's what I want to create. Okay, because it's going to be an advert, but it's going to be a conversation. So okay, I think this is okay this way. No, I want them to stand. Let me put that guy. Yep, let them discuss. Let them stand and be discussing. And after that, oh my god, I've mistakenly removed that. Okay, so that is that. Another thing you're going to note is how you want your video to be. Something like this here or portrait here. Okay, so if you want it to be on portrait, click on this place. Look at the on portrait. If you want it to be on landscape, do it this way. Okay, so I want my video to be on, let me do it on portrait, so I'll be able to post it on TikTok and other apps. Okay, so let's get started. Click on this place. As you can see, we have picked location, which is the background where they are standing, and we have picked the actors, which is the man and the woman. So we are going to the emotion. So we click on the emotion. How do you want them to feel? Me, I want the woman. I want the man to introduce the product to the woman. Okay, so the woman should be, how do you want the woman should be? Let me put, the woman should be So these are any emotion. It's not much you replicate what I did, okay? Be creative in your own. Look for something nice and create. Okay, let me do sad. The woman is sad. Why the guy is what? Okay, let me say the guy is happy. Okay, because the guy wants to happily introduce the product. So camera establishing shots. This means before the thing will start talking, that camera first establish the background before they start talking. Okay, so now move to this place. The filter, how you want the color of the filter to be. See, you can pick any filter of your choice, but I do not want anyone, so you click on none. Then you scroll again. If you do want the scene to fade in and fade out, I feel want to fade in and fade out, it's fine. If you do not want it, you leave it. Field of view. Okay, so if you have scrolled to the end here, then you tap on this place to continue. This place, sorry, this plus sign here. This plus sign here to continue, to bring out more option for us. Can you see? Now you cannot be able to add more scenes because we are using their free motion. Yeah, sorry, their free version. Now the next one is dialogue here. So tap on the dialogue. This is why they are going to say something. Who is speaking and what do they say? If you want to record your voice there, or you want to use a voice, okay, so I'll pick who is speaking. Let the speaker be Samia, the guy that want to introduce the product, and the listener be Miss Green. Okay, so then this is where you have selected the text. You have selected the text here, the speaker here. Now you want to select the text here, the second one. So tap on text. Now you're going to write. What you're going to write now is what the boy wants to say while the lady listens, okay? So you will now write, hello. Say, hello, Mrs. Grace. You can use any name of your choice. How are you doing today? Okay, do you see that? Hello, Mrs. Grace, how are you doing today? Then you go to this voice, you pick a voice. You can pick voice.
I sound.
Pick voice. You don't like
How do I sound? How do I sound?
No, it is the guy that is speaking. Okay, so pick a guy's voice.
How do I sound? How do I sound?
Or if you don't want to pick anyone at all, you can just cancel it. Okay, it's Douglas I picked too, so don't forget to pick Douglas here. So that the voice will not be changing. Okay, so cancel voice.
Hello, Mrs. Grace. How are you doing today?
Sounded like a woman. I do not want that voice. So you can go and change your voice. Tap on the voice again.
How do I sound?
This one sound more masculine. So Andriana. So that is that. Volume. The volume is 100. Camera, filter. So after that, cancel.
Hello, Mrs. Grace. How are you doing today?
Okay, so that is that. Can you see?
Hello, Mrs. Grace. How are you doing today?
If you put it like this is how it will look like.
Hello, Mrs. Grace. How are you doing today?
Or should I even leave
Hello,
it this way?
Mrs. Grace. How are you doing today?
I'll leave it in this.
Hello, Miss.
I'll leave it in this landscape. I like this landscape method. Okay. So that is that. So you'll come back again. After you have finished typing your first dialogue and everything, you come back again and start afresh, like to add another dialogue, okay? Because they'll not allow you to add from there. So tap another one. Then you add another dialogue. Who is speaking and who is replying? So let Sammy be listening. So you now type. When Mrs. Green will talk. See. I'm fine, Sammy. I'm fine, Sammy. Thank you. I'm fine, Sammy. And you? I hope you too. Hello, Mrs. Grace. How are you doing today? I'm fine, Sammy. Thank you. Okay, I'm fine, Sammy. Thank you. I don't want them to talk too much. Okay. Then I'm fine, Sammy. Thank you. Let me check the voice.
How do I sound?
This one is fine.
How do I sound?
I like this voice. So pick it like that. And then you play the video.
I'm fine, Sammy. Thank you. I'm fine, Sammy. Thank you.
Good. So after that, tap on this place. This plus sign again. We want to go back to conversation 3. Tap on it again. Okay? Tap on it again. Then go back to dialogue. Then pick another one again. Pick it again. It's Sammy now that want to talk. Say okay. Sammy will talk while Grace listens. Sammy will say, I haven't seen you online. I haven't seen you online since since yesterday. What happened? So this is what I want her to say, or I want him to say rather. Oh, let me check if the voice is consistent. See, the voice is not there again. Remember we used Andra.
How do I sound?
So
How do I sound?
So that is what we used, and then you now watch what is done.
I haven't seen you online since yesterday. What happened? Hello, Mrs. Grace. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, Sammy. Thank you.
Can you see that? Now tap on it again. Want the woman to talk. So Mrs. Green will reply now. I haven't seen your line since yesterday. What happened? So the woman will talk now. Say, data is so expensive now. I can't subscribe to start scrolling aimlessly online. Data is so expensive now. I can't subscribe to start scrolling aimlessly online. So you see, data is so expensive now. I can't subscribe to start scrolling aimlessly online. Okay, pick it. Then you go to voice. Make sure that the voice we are using is the same, so that the voice will not be changing. If you don't want to be going stress of this voice,
How do I sound?
don't change the voice at all. Okay. If you don't want to be going stress of, so you don't forget. Don't bother yourself changing the sound at all. So that is that. Then you watch the video.
Data is so expensive now. I can't subscribe to start scrolling aimlessly online.
Hello, Mrs. Grace. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, Sammy. Thank you.
Okay, good. So that is that. Click on this person now. Now this is where I want Sammy to introduce my brand. Okay, I want Sammy to introduce my brand here. So Sammy, why Miss Grace listing? Sure. Okay. I say, well, if you have a digital skill that fetches you money, you won't be scrolling aimlessly online. Or how did I put this thing now? Well, if you have a digital skill, you won't be scrolling aimlessly. You won't be scrolling aimlessly online. Instead, you will make money as you scroll. Okay, then pick a voice.
How do I sound?
Pick a voice. Good. Then go back. Then go back again. Dialogue. I want the woman to be fast. This video is taking time. Sammy is listening. Then the woman will not say, I don't have a digital skill, and I am interested in making money online as I scroll. Okay? As I scroll. Please, how can I start? Okay? So this is what it's going to say. Good. Then tap on this one, start another dialogue again. Then this is when Sam will now pitch the products. And then tap. You say, good one. Click. I will introduce you to Prime World Digitals. Digitals. I'm introduced to Prime World Digital. She teaches different digital skills ranging from AI, automation, video editing, adverts, videos, and many more. Okay, and many more. Then now let us add the wow. This is what I have been looking for. Wow, this is what I have been looking for. Please, how can I reach her? I am really interested. Oh my god, I forgot to change the voice in the other but forgot to change the voice. So guys, if you know you'll not be remembering, don't bother changing the voice. Okay, so you will not be sounding different ways. Okay, so this is where Sammy will now drop the contact of the Prime World data. Okay, you can send a DM to them via your phone number 09163569992 09163569992 or click the link to join her free group. Voice. Okay, all right. So I want to do one more. Let me see. It's going to speak. Oh my god. Sam is the one speaking. Oh my god, the text has really gone far. So Mrs. Green will now speak. So say, thank you very much. I just joined. Thank you very much. It is even free. For 5 days. How come I haven't seen this? It is even free for 5 days. Thank you very much, Sam. Let me register now. Okay, this I wanted to stop. So you can do more for yourself, okay? You can really do more for yourself. Okay, this is what I want to preview what I have done. So learn to watch.
Well, if you have a digital skill, you won't be scrolling aimlessly online. Instead, you will make more as you scroll.
I don't have a digital skill and I am interested in making money online as I scroll. Please, how can I start?
Good one. I will introduce you to Prime World Digitals. She teaches different digital skills ranging from AI automation, video editing, advert videos, and many more.
Wow, this is what I have been looking for. Please, how can I reach her? I am really interested.
Okay, you can send a DM to them via 091635699992 or click the link to join her free group.
Thank you very much. It is even free for 5 days. Thank you very much, Sammy. Let me register now.
I haven't seen you online since yesterday. What happened?
Data is so expensive now, I can't subscribe to start scrolling aimlessly online.
Hello, Mrs. Grace. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, Sammy. Thank you.
I don't know if you are the ones, I am the one, or you're also saying it that this is not arranged, okay? Please, I don't even know. I'm just tired. Okay, so let's call it a day. If you want to, I'm looking for where to put subtitle, like what they are saying will also be showing. If you want to add sound, you come to this side, add sound. I think this is okay. Oh, what do you think? No, that one is okay. Let me take that one. Sound effects, okay. Then okay, music. It is not playing. Maybe network. Then insert title. Good. This is where I want them to insert title. Free digital skills. Okay, let's see.
I don't have a digital skill and I am interested in making money online as I scroll. Please, how can I start?
Good one. I will introduce you to Prime World Digitals. She teaches different digital skills ranging from AI automation,
I'm coming on. I want to delete that one. Okay, I think that's all. Click on this place to download your video. Let me download the video and see what it look like. Okay, click on this place to download your video, and you can see that there's a watermark here too. Can you see? In this watermark here, if you use the watermark remover, it's going to affect her hair. Do you understand? So what you're going to do is you take this video to your InShot app or CapCut, and then you write your name. You write your name like Prime World Digitals in a small letter, and you hang it at the up here. I don't know, maybe I may do a video on that, on how to do that. Okay, so tap here to save your video. Save video. Subtitles. Okay. Enable subtitles. Look at the subtitle I was even looking for. See here. Subtitles. Enable subtitles, and then the resolution. Pick this one. Then you click on this place to save your video. Save video. So continue the video when it has finished rendering. So after saving, see save complete here. You see the video in your gallery. Oh, can you see our video? Can you see our video? So let's see what we created.
Well, if you have a digital skill, you won't be scrolling aimlessly online. Instead, you will make more as you scroll.
I don't have a digital skill and I am interested in making money online as I scroll. Please, how can I start?
Good one. I will introduce you to Prime World Digitals. She teaches different digital skills ranging from AI automation, video editing, advert videos, and many more.
Wow, this is what I have been looking for. Please, how can I reach her? I am really interested.
Okay, you can send a DM to them via 091635699992 or click the link to join her free group.
Thank you very much. It is even free for 5 days. Thank you very much, Sammy. Let me register now.
I haven't seen you online since yesterday. What happened?
Data is so expensive now. I can't subscribe to start scrolling aimlessly online.
Hello, Mrs. Grace. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, Sammy. Thank you.
Did you see that, guys? Now it was not arranged the way I wanted it to arrange. So you have two things to do about that. One, you go back to Plotagon Studio to arrange it again from beginning, or you take it to CapCut to go and do cut and join. You cut away the first one that is at the end and you drag it to the front, and then you cut away this one, like you cut it and arrange it by yourself. That is editing. That is where your editing skills is required. Okay, so you take it to CapCut to go and edit it and put those first page that is showing at the last, put it at the first, and then do your editing skills. Okay, so thank you so much for joining us this second day of the tutorial. Thank you. Watch your own and replicate it. It must not be as long as my own. If you need this is just like 4 or 5 conversation, just do it. Okay, and send it to the group. Okay, thank you so much. I'm waiting for your assignment and your creativity. So I want to edit the video now, the short video we just created. So I decided to record the procedure. First of all, tap on the highlight the video. Okay, increase the volume. Tap here to increase the volume. After highlighting it, increase the volume to 1000. After that, then I want us to cover this what is it called here? So the watermark the watermark there. So you tap on this text, tap on the text there, tap on it, then click on add text. Okay. Tap add text, then you now write your own name so that you use it to cover that place. Okay, Prime World Digitals. Write your own name and then put a background. Go to fonts here and pick a font of your choice. Then you can go to style to pick a background that you want. Okay, so let me look for fonts that I can pick. I want all those tiny fonts. Okay, like this story script. Right here. Then go to style, pick background, then pick a background. Okay, good. So now squeeze it. Now squeeze it to be very small. I use it to cover that place, so they will not easily see. They will not easily see that that something was there. Okay, if they look up there, they will see on it. They will now drag it to the end of the video. Okay, drag it to the end of the video where the video ended, so to cover. Now can you see? Let's look at this place. I do not need this place, so I'll tap on this place. I highlight the video. I'll highlight the video, then click on split here. I'm using CapCut, so please, I'm using CapCut. This is not InShot. Then you delete. Click on delete here and you delete. Okay, look at this CapCut logo here. Just tap on it and go to this delete here, and you delete it. Then look at this word is SS. So you highlight the word again, highlight it, go to split, and then you split it. Then you delete this last SS. Can you see? Can you see now?
Well, if you have a digital skill, you won't be scrolling
Can you see that the Plotagon logo is not showing again? So now we want to do where is this place?
Good one. I will introduce you to Prime World Digitals. She teaches different digital skills.
Okay, I thought that place would show. So I want to take from beginning where she asked what happened. So I'll drag it to the front.
Too, or click the link to join her free group.
Thank you very much. It is even free for 5 days. Thank you very much, Sammy. Let me register now.
I haven't seen you online since yesterday.
This is part of the beginning. So let's cut it.
Much, Sammy. Let me register now.
Let me register now. So you take it from here and you split it. After splitting it, you drag it to the front. You hold it and drag it to the front. Can you see? I want to drag this one to the front. So see?
I haven't seen you online since yesterday. What happened?
Data is so expensive now. I can't subscribe to start scrolling aimlessly online.
Hello, Mrs. Grace.
You know, this is where it started. It's supposed to be at the front. So you tap on it again and split.
Hello, Mrs.
So tap on this place to split. Tap on it, split, then drag it to the front again. Drag it, hold it, and swipe it to the front. Then this name again, still drag it.
Hello, Mrs. Grace. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, Sammy. Thank you.
I haven't seen you online since yesterday. What happened?
Data is so expensive now. I can't subscribe to start scrolling aimlessly online.
Well, if you have a digital skill,
Do you know what happened here? You know what happened here? The thing that happened here is that in the beginning, they established shots that they did before they start talking. That's what's happened here.
Well, if you have...
So I want to take that established shot back to the front because that's where it's supposed to be. Tap on it, split, then drag it to the front. Okay. Okay, so let's see now.
Hello, Mrs. Grace. How are you doing?
Do you see? If I show the background, how they are standing and everything before they start the conversation. So this is how you edit, okay?
Hello, Mrs. Grace. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, Sammy. Thank you.
I haven't seen you online since yesterday. What happened?
Data is so expensive now. I can't subscribe to start scrolling aimlessly online.
Well, if you have a digital skill, you won't be scrolling aimlessly online. Instead, you will make more as you scroll.
I don't have a digital skill and I am interested in making money online as I scroll. Please, how can I start?
Good one. I will introduce you to Prime World Digitals. She teaches different digital skills ranging from AI automation, video editing, advert videos, and many more.
Wow, this is what I have been looking for. Please, how can I reach her? I am really interested.
Okay, you can send a DM to them via 091635699992 or click the link to join her free group.
Thank you very much. It is even free for 5 days. Thank you very much, Sammy. Let me register now.
Can you see that? Can you see how beautiful that is? Oh, can you see? Okay, now I want us to add sound because I cannot come to CapCut to edit without adding sound. So tap on audio. I just want to add background sound so that it will be interesting to listen to. Something soft at the background, okay? So we then go to the, let me split it from here where it started singing. Delete this first one, then drag this one to the beginning, then go to the end and delete the excess. Please, if your own video did not scatter the way my own scatter, no need of doing all this stress. So okay, if your own video did not scatter the way my own scatter like this, because I did not arrange it well, just if your own is very well, it is well arranged, just send your assignment like that or use it like that. Okay, so I think that's all. Yep, the Plotagon app here is no longer showing. Instead, our name is showing instead. Okay, so that's how to remove, another way to remove watermark from videos. So bye. Sorry, before going, after that, click on this place to export your videos. Click on here and your videos will be exported. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you tomorrow for day 3. Please submit your assignment. Try to practice it and submit your assignments for correction and reviews. Bye.